Hi, David Odell here with OdellCompleteConcrete. First day on this job site. We're going to add to both sides of this driveway some concrete, widen the driveway out. It's got a big RV, he needs to park it up there in the driveway, so that's why we're widening this. We also hit a water main. That's what we're going to talk about right here. This is actually a 4-part series because we did a lot of things are going on here. So we separated the water line break, the form up, and then the actual pouring of it. So we also have a mow strip all the way around this area, and then we're going to put some lawn in as well. And we're going to do an underground irrigation system for the lawn instead of there's the water main break that I was telling you about. So now we've hit, I don't know if you've watched any of my other videos, but I think about 4 videos ago we hit another water main, and so now two different guys hit the water main. Now we just need a third, which I actually already did myself. I hit one just about the same time this job was going. I was on another job, hit a 3-inch irrigation for a park. It was about 6 inches deep. This one right here was it was just underneath the city sidewalk, so it wasn't deep at all. Alright, another broken water main, different guy this time. So far we just 2 more guys need to hit a water main in the next 2 weeks, and everyone will hit a water main, and then we're done hitting water mains. But right now this one's even easier than the last one. It's just a 3/4 line. Got a couple 90s. This thing's been Mickey Moused around a few times. You can tell by how it comes up and over, because you could dig less that way. That's why it comes up and over. Minimize your digging. It makes it easier. What they did was they rebuilt this. They shot this under the sidewalk. This new copper. It used to be Galvy. That's only good for so long, especially in dirt. They shot this copper over across there, so we're going to run into copper all the way up. But easy enough. We opened up the water main right off the gate. We disconnected the back front of meter. The water all drained out because that's the low end. And then we cut this, so the rest of the water drained out here. Then all I did was heat it up. Was able to slide off that 90. Let's see.
Yeah, show them
Here's
the 90.
The pipe. Here's the hit. That's where the jackhammer hit it.
Yeah.
Now the original was a 1-inch. They downsized to a 3/4 for some unknown reason when they repiped this house. But here's what we had. We had that. I just heated it up, slid this jewel right off. Now, fortunately, I just hit a main last week, or my son did. In this case,
yeah.
Edgar hit this one. Now, I have all the parts. I've got couplings, 90s, you know, the whole package. So this is going to be a real simple situation here. And it's great for you guys out there that want to know how to repair these simple deals. So here's the water. There, we found the old line was under there as well, so all that water back flowed through. See the line right next to that line that's hooked up? The water flew back through there from the other side. Plus I opened it up here to drain the water out. There's the rubber gasket, just kind of a gasket about the same as in a water hose. And that's what holds that together and stops it, keeps it from leaking. So I cut this out, like I was saying, in there, and the water drained backwards out of that pipe, and it drained to the street from here. I was able just to heat it up and pull that top 90 off, and I had all my parts available from the previous repair. That's just some solder and some flux, sandpaper, and a torch. I use the MAP gas because it gets a lot hotter. Now you can use pipe cutters for these. I just use a grinder. Pipe cutter's probably better if you have the space to spin it, because you don't get the burrs like you do with a grinder. And there's the old main right next to it. So we were able to fix this up within an hour. I had 90s. I had that much length in pipe, so it was pretty easy. And no leaks the first try.
The important thing about doing these pipes, keeping them very clean, and making sure that there's no residual water left in the pipe. Thanks for watching. If you like these, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like and comment, and have a nice day.